bolts. Here's your 3 bolts here. They are very small bolts, but it says that if you go into the stud, you should be able to get 400 pounds out of this. It stretches out. Let's see. So this is it. And it says that it will stretch out to 31 inches to 56 inches, depending on stud space. Now mine only went to 48. It's every 12. Gives you a diagram on how to do it, what to do, how to put the poles in. It was very simple. 6 bolts, 3 on this side, 3 on that side, and these 4 bolts. And all it is once you get this on, I screwed on these to this side, went over there and measured that side, put that part in with the poles. It was up less than 10 minutes. Super fast. So I give it the yes. I give it the, it looks good, feels good. Next, we put the tires on and check that out. See that in the next video. Peace. Oh, before I leave, I'll tell you what I used. I used a 5/16 for these. That goes right into those. And I used a 14 millimeter on this.